Rointe, leader in the electric heating market, presents the low-consumption Rointe Digital Integral System, a space and domestic hot water heating system which combines design, technology and energy efficiency. The M-Series infrared remote controls the entire range of products in the Rointe Digital Integral System. The 1.77-inch high-resolution TFT screen allows system information to be viewed from any angle without losing image quality. It is divided into 3 information zones. The central part shows the temperature selected by the user, variable in half-degree steps. Just below this is found the time, the day of the week, and the program strip. The upper part of the screen shows working mode and locked icons. The M-Series remote control has 20 buttons divided into 3 groups. The buttons on the upper part represent the days of the week. Just below this, one finds the programming and on-off group. In the bottom part are the buttons to control auxiliary functions such as anti-frost, working mode, clear, and also lock. The remote control is switched on using the middle button on the keyboard. After displaying the welcome screen for 3 seconds, the user must select between space heating mode by pressing button 1 or water heating mode by pressing button 2. Once this option has been chosen, the initial information screen is displayed. The Rointe Digital Integral System products have 2 working modes, manual and automatic. Through the M-Series remote control, we can toggle between these modes by pressing and releasing the Man Auto button. In the upper part of the screen, an M, representing manual mode, or an A, representing auto mode, will be displayed. In manual mode, only the thermostat is invoked, allowing the user to simply select the temperature anywhere between 15 and 30 degrees Celsius for space heating and between 40 and 73 degrees Celsius for water heating. Using the plus and minus buttons, we can modify the set temperature in half-degree steps. When we change to automatic mode, the program previously saved to memory is invoked. Again, you can check that you are in automatic mode by checking that the A icon is present at the top of the screen. To program, one must first set the time and day of the week. By pressing the clock button, we can set these parameters. While the time is flashing, we set the hour by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Pressing the clock button again moves us on to the minutes, which will begin to flash. You set this the same way as the hour. To move on to select the day of the week, we again press the clock button. The numbers 1 to 7 along the top of the remote control keyboard represent the days of the week, from Monday through to Sunday. Pressing one of these numbered buttons will select the corresponding day, and this will be indicated on the screen. Through the Program key, we move on to start the menu process. With the numbered buttons on the remote control, we choose the days of the week for which we wish to program. Upon selecting a day by pressing the corresponding button, the number will stop flashing. Pressing the Program button again takes us to the next step, programming hour by hour for the days selected. Using the forward and back arrow buttons takes us up and down through the hours for the days previously selected. Pressing the Program button cycles through the 3 mode options for the given hour: off, eco, and comfort. The off mode means the space or water heating is off for that hour. The eco mode allows the temperature to be set between 15 and 19.5 degrees Celsius for space heating and between 40 and 54.5 degrees Celsius for hot water. This mode is represented in the upper part of the screen by a crescent moon symbol and in the program strip at the bottom by a single dot. In comfort mode, we can set space heating between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius, or for hot water between 55 and 73 degrees Celsius. This is represented by a sun symbol in the upper part of the screen, and in the program strip at the bottom by 2 dots, one above the other. We finalize the programming by pressing the clock button or by simply waiting 1 minute without pressing any buttons. Once the programming has been completed, we must transmit the program from the remote control to the product in question by pressing the Send button. Through the anti-frost function, we can maintain a set security temperature of 8 degrees Celsius. To activate this function, press the anti-frost button and transmit the information to the product from the remote control. Anti-frost is represented by a snowflake symbol at the top of the screen. This function can be deactivated by pressing the anti-frost button once more. The program stored in the remote control can be cleared from the remote control's memory by pressing the Clear button for 10 seconds. To lock a Rointe product from the remote control, press the Lock button. When the locked symbol appears on the screen, we transmit this to the product in question, and the keyboard on the product will be rendered inactive. The product in question can only be unlocked by using a remote control. The remote control screen brightness can be modified by pressing the anti-frost button for 5 seconds. With the plus and minus buttons, we modify the screen brightness. The effective power represents the actual power of the Rointe products. To see this value, we press the Program button for 5 seconds. The effective power screen will appear, and by transmitting from the remote, the information will be displayed on the corresponding product screen. Rointe Digital Integral System, the professional, low-consumption, integral heating system.